car in reverse, check the camera. Well, that's not good. Hey everyone, have you been having issues with your Stinger HEIGH10 and your Jeep Wrangler JL or JT? I've had them myself, although they've kind of just been a little bit of a nuisance, nothing too crazy. Every once in a while, we'll put the car in reverse and we get no signal. Or if we are going from our HDMI input, sometimes the camera will pop up instead of the HDMI input. It can get a little confused. If your HEIGH10 is being a little quirky, it could be a cable management issue. This is the adapter that comes with the installation kit that is retaining the camera, but you will notice it also has HDMI input and output, which is how it's retaining that camera. If you have any kinks in that cable behind the dash, that can potentially be what's causing your issues. However, if you are confident that your wire management is spot on and you're still experiencing camera issues, you may be able to resolve it with a simple reset procedure. I'm going to show you how to do that reset procedure in my Jeep. From the home screen, we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to system settings, and then we're going to go to installer settings, enter the code 0052, and then you may be tempted by this factory reset. I'm not going to do that. That's a hard reset. That's going to totally reboot the operating system, all audio settings. Don't want to do that. I just want to go to advanced vehicle settings and then scroll down to about, and this little pack logo is going to pop up, and you have these little arrows on the side. Tap this all the way until the last page, which is RPHD1. That's the camera module. We're going to go ahead and hit reset. Do you want to reset? Yes. Then we're going to go back one page. Next, let's do the PL1. Reset. And then lastly, we're going to do the RP4 module. Once you hit reset, it's going to shut down and reboot. I did this with the vehicle running. All right, so we are rebooted. Let's check the camera. There it is. Let's go to drive. Perfect. I will point out, for minor quirks, there is a little reset button right here that we've used in the past. For example, like if Apple CarPlay wasn't being recognized for some reason, you can press that in with a little paper clip or a pen tip. But thankfully, since we've done this reset procedure that I just laid out, we haven't had to do that. We haven't had any quirks or glitches, and hopefully that procedure that I've laid out corrects any quirks or issues you've been experiencing. Now, by chance, if you go through this reset procedure and you do not see the PL1 or HD1 as an option in this menu, it's possible you have a defective PL1, which we've run into recently, and that is connecting to the HD1. So if that module fails, your camera and your HDMI are going to go out and the unit's going to be kind of locked up. Hopefully your reset is much simpler than that. We're going to have to swap out hardware, but just an FYI, I have run into that one time with these radios. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have found this video helpful, and hopefully this reset procedure works for you. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you had this issue? Has this procedure helped you? I'd love to know and get your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.